every day, with a smile that lights my way. She hugs me tight and says hello. My mom loves me, this I know. When I fall, she helps me stand, holds me with her gentle hand. Kiss on cheek and all is fine. My mom is warm and kind. At night she sings me lullabies, wipes my tears when I cry.